Hello dear students, welcome to CR Digital Classes. I am Ajay Purna. Today we are going to see another short problem from Unit-5 cash flow statement. Okay, as I've been saying in the previous problems, the question is being focused only on the calculation of cash flow from operating activities. Okay, one such other question has been asked in recent exam June 2024 and question number 8 for 4 marks. Right, look at the question. With the following information, calculate the cash flow from operating activities. Right, you have been given information for 2 years. Okay, this should be 1998. Okay, so net profit is given, debtors, bills receivable, creditors, bills payable, stock, opening and closing balances are given. With this information we are required to calculate cash flow from operating activities. We're going to solve this using indirect method, right? So whenever information of net profit is available, we can go with the indirect method, right? So here we have the net profit of how much? 73,000. Usually we'll add back the non-cash expenses and losses, will minus the non-cash incomes and gains, but there is no such information given. If you see debtors, bills receivable, creditors, bills payable, stock, these are all working capital items, right? So we can say that this net profit is operating profit before working capital changes. Before working capital changes. So there are no non-cash items, okay, that is given in the question. Now we know whenever there is increase in current asset, we know whenever there is increase in current asset, it means that cash is going out. This will result in cash outflow. Okay. For example, stock is increasing. Let's suppose in this question, stock is increasing. Why would it increase? I'm purchasing the stock. So when I'm purchasing, I'll pay cash. So that's how it is resulting in cash outflow. Similarly, when current asset is decreasing, it will result in cash inflow. Okay, decrease in current asset is cash inflow. For example, the same stock, if it is decreasing from the previous year, why would it decrease? When we are selling it, when we sell, we receive cash. So it is considered as cash inflow. Same example for debtors as well. Last year, let's suppose some 30,000 is there. Current year, it is only 20,000. So what happened to 10,000? We received cash, right? So that's how, okay, the logic is applied here. Now exactly ulta logic will be applied for current liabilities. Okay, current liability अगर increase हो रहा है, okay, so it means cash inflow. Okay, current liability if it is decreasing, okay, it is cash outflow, right? So let's suppose creditor says last year balance is 50, current year balance is only 30. So 20,000 हमने pay किया, cash बाहर गया. So whenever current liability is decreasing, cash is going up. So with these four items, okay, with these four scenarios, we will analyze these items, right? Debtors, last year balance is 45, current year balance is 42. It has decreased. Decrease means cash inflows. We'll write the cash inflows first and then we'll write the cash outflows next. Okay. So we'll add these items. Okay. Increase in debtors. कितना increase हुआ? Sorry, decrease it is. Sorry. Debtors is decreasing. So cash is coming in. So 3,000 is coming in. Right? Look at the bills receivable. Last year balance is 9,000. Current year balance is 13,000. It has increased. Increase in current asset is cash out. From minus 20. Okay, leave some space and write. Okay, increase in bills receivable. How much is the increase? Okay, 4,000. 4,000 is outflow. Write it in minus. Right? If it is outflow, write it in minus. If it is inflow, write it in positive. Next, creditors, what is happening? Last year is 45, current year is 50,000. Balance बढ़ा, current liabilities increase हो गया, तो cash inflow. So increase in creditors is cash inflow. 5,000 हमें cash आया, right? Bills payable, again it is a current liability. 12,000 last year balance है, current year balance is 10,000. क्यों कम हुआ? हमने cash pay किया, right? Decrease in current liabilities, cash outflow. So right here, decrease in bills payable, 2,000 we have paid. Look at the last set. Okay, stock is again increasing. Stock it is the current asset. Current asset balance increase होता है तो outflow, right? So कितना increase हुआ 10,000, that is considered as outflow. Okay, increase in stock 10,000, right? Now let's calculate the totals, right? So we'll start with 73,000 net profit. उसको 3,000 add कर देंगे 76 plus 5 is 81. Okay, so इसका total I am writing here in the outer amount column 81,000. Let's all add all the less items. Okay, 4,000, 2,000 is 6,000, 6,000 minus plus 10,000 is 16,000, right? So इसका total हो गया 16,000, right? Now minus this 16,000 from 81,000, you'll get the final answer, which is our cash flow from operating activities. Okay, so 81 minus 16 will give you 65,000, right? Right here that it is cash flow from operating activities, right? So that is the end of the problem. Okay, आपको कुछ separately short answer problems के लिए you need not practice anything separately. If you are good with the long format questions where you need to prepare the cash flow statement, okay, उसी का small portion will be asked in the short answer questions, right? So you please be good with the long format questions where you need to prepare a full cash flow statement. Okay, based on that also you can write the theory questions, right? So with that, I hope you understood the procedure, how to prepare this, okay, how to solve this question, right? I wish you all the best from the CR publishers. Thank you. See you again.